Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen Kati roll in the air fryer. So this Kati roll, it's Indian street food, and we're cooking it straight from frozen. So all you need is a package of Kati roll in the air fryer. Let's take out the air fryer basket, and let's put the Kati roll in the air fryer basket. So no need to defrost, we are cooking it straight from frozen. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this Kati roll. It's so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Looks so good. Now, if it's your first time cooking it in your air fryer, I do recommend using the instant read thermometer to just make sure it's fully cooked inside. If you insert instant read thermometer, it should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's fully heated inside, not cold. Or another way is just cut it in half and make sure it's hot inside, and if not, you can always put it back in the air fryer and cook it for a few more minutes until it's fully heated through. But this time is perfect for my air fryer. I made those before, so I know it works. Perfect. Look how good it looks. Amazing. Now let me cut it so you can see the inside. So look how crispy on the outside, and it's fully heated inside with this nice, delicious filling. Perfect. Let's try it. So excited about trying it. I love Kati roll. So good. Such a delicious, cheesy filling that's so hot. And the crispy outside tastes amazing. You will love it. If you never tried Kati roll, I highly recommend it. So flavorful, delicious spices inside, so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!